Hello, my dear students. How are you during this pandemic situation? Are you healthy? I hope so. Are you happy? I hope so. Are you ready for my English class? I hope so. To begin my class, I will show you some pictures. Please observe them carefully. Do you know them? Where do they live in? What are they called? They are our Adivasi friends or ethnic people live in Bangladesh and we are their friends. After seeing the pictures, could you guess what would be our topic today? Unit 1. A glimpse of our culture. Lesson 3. Our ethnic friends 1. Before going to the text, let us learn some new words. Ethnic. A group of people live in the country with a common culture, tradition, and national. Region. An area of a country. Majority. The greater number. Shifting. Changing. From the text, we will come to know identity of our ethnic friends, where they live in, what they do, what is their faith, and how they hold an important place in the culture of Bangladesh. Let us read the text and try to understand. The ethnic people in Bangladesh hold a very important place in the culture of the country. Ethnic people have their own cultures, traditions, customs, rituals, and way of life which unite us and enrich our culture. The majority of these people live in the Chittagong Hill Tracts. The others live in the region of Mymensingh, Rajshahi, and Sylhet. They live in both high and low lands, but the great number live in Chittagong Hill Tracts. They live in forest areas, in the hills, and in rural areas. They love nature and live with nature in the forest. They always care and preserve nature. They do jhum cultivation. For this work, they clean a piece of land in the forest, prepare it, and sow seeds. They are mostly farmers. They are farmers, do jhum cultivation. Jhum cultivation is cultivating on hills by cleaning forest. By religion, they are Hindus, Christians, or Buddhists. They speak their own mother tongues. They are Hindus, Christians, and Buddhists. They have their own mother tongues, cultures, and histories. Some of them are Chakmas, the Marmas, Tripuras, and the Murongs, who live in the hill tracts. The Santals live in Rajshahi. The Khasis and the Manipuris live in Sylhet, and the Hajongs and the Garos in Mymensingh. Some ethnic people live in hill tracts, and some live in lowlands in different parts of Bangladesh. Synopsis from the text. Our ethnic friends live in hills as well as in the plain areas. They are farmers, do jhum cultivation. By religion, they are Hindus, Christians, and Buddhists. They have their own mother tongues, lifestyle, cultures, customs, and traditions. They play an important role in the culture of Bangladesh. They are our friends. Let us do an exercise. True or false? Number 1. All the ethnic people of our country live in the Chittagong Hill Tracts. Number 2. Most of them are farmers. Number 3. By religion, all of them are Buddhists. Number 4. Murongs are an ethnic group. Number 5. They practice jhum cultivation. Answers to the questions. Number 1. False. Not all the ethnic people of our country live in Chittagong Hill Tracts. Some of them live in rural areas. Number 2. True. Number 3. False. By religion, they are Hindus, Christians, and Buddhists. Number 4. True. Number 5. True. Homework. Answer the following questions. Number 1. Where do you find the Santals? Number 2. What language do they speak at home? Number 3. Where and how they do cultivation?